Hello, welcome to my channel. Whether this is your very first cruise or you're a seasoned explorer of the seas, there's always something magical about stepping onto a cruise ship. The excitement in the air, the anticipation of new adventures, and the promise of relaxation all come together as you make your way up the gangway. You're not just boarding a ship, you're entering a floating resort, a home away from home, where every detail is designed to make your journey unforgettable. There's nothing quite like opening the door to your cruise cabin for the very first time. It's your own private sanctuary, a cozy retreat where you'll rest, recharge, and create memories throughout your voyage. The gentle sway of the ship, the soft lighting, and the inviting atmosphere all welcome you to settle in and make yourself comfortable. As you look around, you'll notice thoughtful touches everywhere. A neatly made bed with crisp linens, perhaps a balcony that opens up to breathtaking ocean views, and sunlight streaming through the window to greet you each morning. These little details are all part of what makes your cabin feel special and uniquely yours for the duration of your trip. Take a moment to explore the amenities waiting for you. You might find complimentary water bottles, a selection of snacks, or even a welcome gift from the cruise line. Toiletries, soaps, and other essentials are thoughtfully arranged for your convenience, making it easy to settle in and feel at home right away. As you unpack and get comfortable, you might start to wonder about all the items in your room. Which things are meant for you to use during your stay, and which ones are actually yours to take home? It's a common question for many guests, especially when you spot those tempting little extras that make your stay so enjoyable. For example, you might notice a plush bathrobe hanging in the closet or a stack of soft, fluffy towels in the bathroom. They look so inviting. Are they souvenirs, or should they stay behind for the next guest to enjoy? It's easy to see why there's confusion, since cruise lines go out of their way to make you feel pampered. In this guide, we'll walk you through exactly what's yours to keep and what's meant to remain in the cabin. From branded toiletries and stationery to those cozy robes and decorative items, we'll help you understand the difference so you can avoid any awkward surprises at the end of your trip. We'll also share a behind-the-scenes look at how the crew prepares each cabin for new guests, ensuring everything is fresh, clean, and ready for your arrival. Knowing what's meant to stay helps the staff maintain the high standards that make cruising such a special experience for everyone. So get ready to settle in, relax, and enjoy your cruise with confidence and a clear conscience. With a little knowledge, you'll know exactly what you can take home as a memento and what should be left behind for the next lucky traveler. Let's set sail on this journey together. Let's start with the fun part, what you can take. When you step into your cruise cabin for the very first time, it's like opening a treasure chest of thoughtful little luxuries. Cruise lines know that part of the magic of your vacation is discovering all the small comforts and surprises waiting for you in your room. These aren't just random freebies. They're carefully chosen to make your stay more enjoyable. And yes, many of them are yours to keep. Cruise lines expect you to use and keep single-use items in your cabin. These are the little things that make your stay feel special, and they're included in your fare. You'll find them neatly arranged on your nightstand, in the bathroom, or sometimes even as a welcome gift on your bed. Toiletries like mini shampoos, conditioners, lotions, and soaps are yours to enjoy and pack for later. These travel-sized bottles are perfect for your next adventure, or even just to keep as a reminder of your trip. They're designed for single use, so don't hesitate to slip them into your bag before you leave. Some cruise lines even provide disposable slippers or shower caps, especially in higher-end cabins or suites. These are meant for your comfort during the voyage, but you're welcome to take them home as a little piece of pampering. Stationery, such as notepads, pens, and branded paper, makes for a perfect, lightweight memento. Jot down your favorite memories, write postcards to friends, or simply keep them as souvenirs. Cruise lines love when guests take these home, as it's a subtle way to remember your trip and maybe even inspire your next one. Single-serve coffee, tea, sugar, and creamer packets are also fair game. Whether you're an early riser who loves a cup of coffee on your balcony or you prefer a relaxing tea before bed, these little packets are there for your enjoyment. If you don't use them all, feel free to take the extras with you. They're replenished for each new guest. Don't forget about postcards or small brochures that might be left in your cabin. These are often designed for guests to take, so you can share your experience with friends and family back home. Pillow chocolates, or daily printed schedules? Absolutely yours. The chocolates are a sweet treat to end your day, and the printed schedules are a fun way to remember all the activities you enjoyed on board. Some guests even collect these as keepsakes from each cruise. If it's disposable or meant for one guest, it's included in your fare and fine to take. This includes things like sewing kits, shoe shine sponges, and sometimes even travel-sized hand sanitizers. These items are provided for your convenience, and the cruise line expects you to use or take them. So, collect those little goodies. They're the cruise line's way of saying, "Thanks for sailing with us." Each item is a small reminder of your journey, and taking them home lets you relive a bit of that vacation magic long after you've returned to dry land. Just remember, if you're ever unsure about an item, check with your cabin steward. They're always happy to help you understand what's yours to keep. Now let's talk about what must remain on board. Linens, towels, sheets, blankets, and pillows are laundered and reused for future guests. Tempting as they are, bathrobes are not souvenirs. They're part of the cabin inventory. Electronics, hair dryers, mugs, glasses, hangers, and ice buckets are all permanent fixtures. Even decor, like artwork and decorative pillows, is ship property. The rule, if it's durable, reusable, or part of the room setup, it stays. Respecting these boundaries ensures every guest enjoys a well-appointed cabin. These rules aren't arbitrary, they're practical. Cruise ships host thousands weekly, and linens and robes are costly to replace. If guests took them, fares would rise for everyone. Reusing these items also supports sustainability, reducing waste and environmental impact. It's about fairness too. Leaving everything in place ensures the next guest has the same great experience. Missing items create extra work for crew and can delay cabin readiness. By leaving things behind, you help keep cruising affordable, green, and enjoyable for all. What if you accidentally pack a bathrobe or towel? Cruise lines track inventory closely. Missing items are charged to your onboard account, often at a steep markup. That free robe could cost you $75 or more on your final bill. Take several items and you might get a call from staff or even be flagged for future bookings. It's not worth the risk, cost, or embarrassment. Enjoy your vacation without surprise charges or awkward conversations. Leave with memories, not a bill for unauthorized souvenirs. Fallen in love with that plush robe or towel? Good news, you can buy them. Check your cabin for info cards or ask your steward. Cruise lines sell new, unused versions for you to take home. The ship's gift shop is a treasure trove of official souvenirs, t-shirts, mugs, hats, and more. Buying from the shop supports the crew and ensures you get a legitimate keepsake. Look for end-of-cruise sales for great deals on branded items. Choose to purchase, and you'll leave with guilt-free, lasting reminders of your trip. The best souvenirs are the ones you're meant to take. The most valuable souvenirs don't fit in your suitcase. They're the memories you make. Capture sunsets, laughter, and new experiences in your mind and on camera. Use that complimentary notepad to jot down highlights and funny moments. Photos and journal entries become priceless keepsakes you'll cherish for years. The joy of discovery, the taste of new foods, and the thrill of adventure are souvenirs that last a lifetime. Focus on collecting moments, not things. These are the treasures that truly enrich your life. Bathrobes and pool towels are some of the most tempting items in your cruise cabin, but they're not meant to be souvenirs. Robes are laundered and reused for future guests, and pool towels are checked out and tracked with your cruise card. If you don't return a towel or take a robe, you'll likely see a charge on your onboard account, often $25 or more per item. Cruise lines keep close track of these amenities to ensure every guest enjoys fresh, clean linens. The crew works behind the scenes to wash, sort, and organize towels and robes, keeping everything ready for the next guest. If you want to take home a robe or towel as a souvenir, visit the Onboard gift shop. Most ships sell branded towels and robes, so you can bring home a new one without risking extra charges. Enjoy the comfort of these amenities during your cruise, but remember to leave them behind for the next guest. Taking care of shared items helps keep cruising enjoyable for everyone. By following these simple guidelines, you help maintain the comfort and luxury that make cruising special for all. As you set sail, remember, take memories, leave only footprints, and keep only what's freely given. Enjoy the complimentary goodies and purchase official souvenirs for lasting reminders. The real treasures are the friendships, adventures, and moments you collect along the way. Treat your cabin with respect so every guest feels that magical welcome. Capture your journey in photos and journals and say yes to new experiences. Here's to smooth seas, sunny skies, and a suitcase full of memories. Happy sailing! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cruise tips and adventures. Share your favorite cruise memories in the comments below. We'd love to hear your stories.